Okay, hello. You know what I don't like doing? Negative reviews on products. But guess what? Sometimes it needs to be done. And today it's going to be done. So this is LED Outfitters light where I got it from. I don't see any name on it. So obviously it's a China product. They're pretty bright. They're very thin. So I like that. I think I paid like $200 some for this thing less than 6 months ago. And the other day it fell off. What happened was, I pick it up here. One of these bolts right there, you see that? See those bolts right there? That hold the bracket on right there. One of those came loose because on the other side of this very thin metal right here, there's a nut. Now I checked on it and they said it's warranted for a year. So I called them and they said they will send out new bolts. They wouldn't send me a new light. They also sent me a new wire with the end on it. So I appreciated that. Not that I need it, but I will use it later on. But here's the other thing. The bolts they sent with for the new ones just come with a regular nut. No lock nut or lock washer. So you know that's going to come loose again from vibrating down the road. There's no question about it. Because that's just reality. It also says on their warranty paper, where it says warranty on their website, it says they don't recommend using magnet mounts when driving. Now I don't know how else they expect you're supposed to weld it on there or something. I don't know. But here's the next issue. See those holes right here? There's a screw missing. 2, 3. There's 3 of them missing. One was missing at the bottom, and 2 of them I think were missing up here. Which of course now there's a hole for water to get in. So I took some of the bottom ones out, put them in the top to fill the holes. When I put this one in, it stripped out. I barely had it tight and it stripped out, so I can't make it really tight. But from vibrating down the road, the screws come loose. The bolts to hold the brackets on come loose. All of those bolts need to have lock washers on, or lock nuts is what they need. They need lock nuts on them. The screws need to have like thread lock on them, which I have to get and put on. I have to call them and tell them to send me more screws. So there it is. Again, I like the light. It's very thin. It's very bright. The only thing about it that I don't really like is the lights is kind of a very light yellow. I'm having to talk about light and yeah, whatever. light and light, but they're not very amberish. They're too yellow. I'd rather have more orangish, you know. But anyways, let me just pause it and show you. There you go. That's what it looks like. It's definitely bright, but I would prefer it a little darker, you know, yellowish. But anyways, that's the issue. That's my honest review on it. They're just not tough. They're not tough made. And the bracket came loose. Just kind of disappointed. So there you go. That's what it looks like.